Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix USB ports are not working in your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, you just need to right click on your start menu, click on device manager. After open device manager, you have to scroll down and you will get an option called Universal Serial Bus Controller. So what you have to do, you just need to expand that on, and after that right click on USB root hub. Now you just need to go to properties, click on power management, uncheck the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Now click on OK. After done, close this window. Now restart your PC. After restart, still if your problem is there, then try to uninstall the USB root device. For that, you just need to right click on your start menu, go to device manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, and right click on USB root hub and click on uninstall device. Now click on uninstall. After that, you just need to restart your PC. After restart, still if your problem is there, then just unplug charger, power and all the USB devices from your laptop or PC. Now restart the laptop, and after restart, reconnect all the USB devices to your laptop. Now connect charger and power supply to the laptop or PC, and this should fix the problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.